All right, here we are. We're back again. We got a guest chef in the house. What's your cooking name there, Steve?
Steve.
Steve?
Yeah.
Yeah, just plain old Steve?
Yes, plain old Steve.
All right, what are you making?
Well, we're going to make a batch of cowboy beans.
Nice.
We've got the hamburger pre-cooked, the bacon.
Whoa.
We put 2 bell peppers in it and 2 large onions and got them chopped up. Already got them on the grill. We're going to get ready to add the beans.
Nice. Look at all these beans. You do realize you're sleeping in a camper with your wife, right?
They don't affect me.
Yeah, I'm sure they don't.
So we'll go ahead and put these in.
Man, that's a lot of beans. Oh, that sounds neat.
That's why they call that cowboy beans.
That's it. He's cowboy in it. I could probably be handing them to you. It'd save you some trips, huh?
Ah.
Look at that, would you?
Putting the beans, juice, and everything in there.
That's good. We got light red kidney beans, pinto beans. What are them beans? Probably something we can't pronounce.
Cannellini?
We're-
White beans.
Yeah, we're from West Virginia. Those are white beans. There's some.
This is a recipe I got from a guy that works for me where I'm a project manager and this guy's a cook when he's not working for me, and he gave me this recipe.
Nice. We can't wait to try it.
So this is my first attempt at cowboy beans.
Nice. When we were going to do it over an open fire, but since it's 96 degrees today, and we did a flag retirement ceremony earlier, and we're hot, and the fire pit is still down there hot, so here we are. We're on the camp stove stove.
I'll tell you what though, I really do like these
Easy opens.
easy open bean cans.
Till you say that, and that one won't want to open. Wow. Look at that. Come here.
All right, beans are in. Let's
Look
stir
at
it
that,
up.
stirring it up with a spatula since all the big spoons are dirty and I didn't wash anything yet.
Well,
We
being
got-
a retired fireman and you being a fireman, Bob, sometimes we just gotta
Go with
adapt,
the flow.
overcome.
Adapt and overcome. That's
Oh,
why we're
man.
using the old large spatula as a stirring device.
Actually works
Got
pretty
it on a
good.
low simmer, and we'll let this roll all day until my brisket's done.
Look at that.
That
Well, that's
looks
some good looking stuff
That's
there.
it. Man, he's got all kind of other goodies
All right,
here.
we're gonna go ahead and start
This-
adding the
Secret sauce. What's
Yeah,
that?
brown sugar. pre-measured.
Pre-measured.
The wife worries about how much I put in stuff.
Oh, of course. We got a whole fan club here watching all the cooking.
Peggy, how much salt?
Did I not ask you if you have the recipe?
Just, that's enough. Heck
Looks
yeah,
good to
that
me.
looks good to me. That was way too much. She
It
said.
wasn't. They did come out real bad.
What's that?
This is garlic.
Oh, nice.
A little bit of that.
I need a teaspoon if we got a teaspoon.
We do.
Oh my, that's got a smell to it.
There's 1 teaspoon measuring.
All right.
He's gonna. Wow, that smells like garlic. Ooh, ooh. Dang, that's a lot of garlic. There won't be no vampires in these parts. Dang. I like it already. I love garlic. Now what do we got?
We're gonna put some Dijon mustard, you know.
Dijon mustard.
Probably should have took all these caps off.
Yeah, well, you know, that's part of what you learn when you do cooking shows. You got to be a little semi-prepared. Nobody wants to watch you take the lid
I'm gonna
off.
put a measured amount in here.
We'll put about that much.
Tablespoon.
Yeah, a couple
Or a little
tablespoons. You're gonna put about
Not a cup.
yeah,
But I've never made.
about that much of that,
We'll taste it here a little bit and then we'll get it to
where it really wants to be.
yeah.
That's how I cook, exactly the same way. I just maybe that's enough.
Cup of barbecue
A
sauce.
little barbecue. Look at that.
Give it a little
little pinch of some flavor.
Give her a little bit of Okay. Chili powder.
Chili powder. We like it. And that's looking like a big pot of stuff. Oh my goodness. Alright. Chili powder. About that much. Or that much. Oh, it's looking
This is
good.
where I gotta be careful. I've already been warned. I'm gonna put the cayenne pepper.
Yeah, don't put too much. Don't put too much, he said, huh? I might have some fresh jalapenos we ought to slice up and put in there. I don't know if there's any more on my
I'll wait on
plants.
this batch and see.
Yeah,
Just
might
a
be a
tad,
little
that's
too
enough.
hot. That looks pretty good. Wow.
Now, stir this mess up.
Wow. Dang, that looks good already. Just saying.
I knew they were gonna eat, but I thought they'd stay.
Look at that. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Spare parts.
Spare parts.
What was that?
Oh, nothing. Don't worry about it. We're all good. If you cut your tongue off while you're eating the beans, you won the prize. All right, I like it.
There's a mystery lid in the cowboy
Yeah.
beans.
Ooh, that looks yummy. Smells good.
That's about the right amount of water too. I was worried
Yeah.
about that.
Yeah.
How to figure that.
Looks perfect.
The recipe was about half of what this is actually putting together, but I figured with the amount of people we had,
Yeah.
we could double it or so.
Looks yummy.
I think we put the lid on it now and let it simmer. Get it up to.
I think you're right. Let that baby get a small
Taste it,
simmer.
see what
What it
tastes
needs. All right. We'll be ready before you know it, folks.
I'll tell you.
All right, here he is. Cowboy Bean Man himself. What do you think? How'd he turn out?
Excellent.
Good recipe?
Yes. I think it's right.
Man, look
You just
at
got to make sure that you try them and spice them before you finish them.
it. There you go.
Get 'em
They
to
look
taste.
good. I already had some, but I'm not admitting that on my video right now.
Oh,
Well, actually, I had 2 bowls, but we're not keeping track.
this is like my fourth.
We're not keeping track. Well, hopefully you like those cowboy beans my friend Steve, the guest chef, made today. And if you like Cooking with Bob videos, as always, I'd really, really appreciate hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. We'll see you the next time we're cooking. Have a great day.